This is an old rim deadlock. Now it's quite a simple mechanism inside. You've got to take this screw out and have a look inside. As you see, it's extremely rusty. Lift it up and there we have it. Now nothing really wrong with it other than the fact it's rusted away practically. Now I'm just going to take it apart and show you what's inside. As you can see, it wouldn't take much to get a screwdriver inside to lift it up to open the lock. Now it could also obviously be repaired, cleaned up, oiled, and be back in service. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, please share, like and subscribe.